How to remove green dot on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, you will see the option for messages and story replies. Tap on that and then tap on the Show Activity option you see there. Now, the green dot basically means it can show you if the person is active on Instagram currently or not. So, if you want to remove the green dot, then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for show activity status, and with this, the green dot will no longer be shown on messages anymore. So, this is how you can remove green dot on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.